Sabadi Tina, hi, I hope you are doing fantastic there at home and everybody else who is watching. Right, since we finished with our book last week, what we will start doing is review other units, past units in our book. And this week we will go to unit number 9 on page 104, page 104, and we will review some of the vocabulary, some of the grammar, and get you ready for your final exams. So let us jump straight to page 104 and let's get started. Right, so what we will be doing first today is review some of the vocabulary of Unit 9, Lesson 1. So please make sure your book is open on page 104, and if you don't have a book, make sure to do a screenshot so you can take a look at it later. Right, let's jump straight into vocabulary. Please listen and repeat, okay? Baby, breast, continue, opposite, pair, long, short, small, thin, ugly, cute, big, clean, dirty, and fat. Right, let us go and have a look at our face and the vocabulary and nouns for the things on our face. Okay, taking a look at our face. Yes, everything on our head, and we have some vocab we have to pronounce again. So please listen and repeat. And the numbers correspond to the picture, right? So please listen carefully and repeat after me. First we have mouth, head, eye, tooth, hair, cheek, tongue, lip, chin, nose, ear. Right, but that's not all. Some of the things on our face, there are two, right? So we add an S. For example, eye, we have 1, 2, eyes, S. Tooth is a different one. It's teeth, T-E-E-T-H, yes, for more than one. And hair stays the same, no S. Cheek, cheeks, we have 2, 1, 2. Next one we have 1 tongue, we have 2 lips, 1 chin, 1 nose, 2 ears. Ears, listen to the pronunciation. So we just add S. Right, let us move on to the next part of this review, which is, of course, the grammar. Yes, let's go over the grammar. So please listen carefully and let's get started. What we have here is have or has and have or has got. Right. So let's take a look at these ones first. These are your subjects, who you are talking about. I, we, you, and they use have, and he, she, or it with one use has. Right, so you can immediately see that we use have for two things, and has for one. And it is your subject we are talking about. So, for example, I have beautiful eyes. Example, he has, one person, he has beautiful eyes. Right. You also have the short form or the contractions. Yes, contraction. I have, I've, he has, he's got. Right, so those are the short forms. Remember, have for two, has for one. It's fairly simple. So make sure that your subject, who you are talking about, if it's one person or two, one thing or two. So for example, Sally and Susan, two people, and Susan, then we use have. And if you just say Sally, then has, because only Sally, one person. Right. Let us go and take a look at some of these pictures. I want you to listen and repeat. So let's go to our next activity first. Right, taking a look at these pictures. Right, so let's read them together. They've got long hair. Right, we use they've, they have, because we have 1, 2, 3 people, right? So they have got long hair. Right, let's take a look at the next one. She's got big eyes. She has got big eyes. She, because it is one girl. Yes, one lady, one girl is has. Right, let's take a look at the next one. Is the same. He's got beautiful teeth. He's we use for a boy or for a man. And he is one person, so we use has. Right. Now, the next one. She's got a beautiful face. Right? She has. Yes, she has because one. And got a beautiful face. And she is also, of course, for a girl. Right. The next one is you've got. Now you, in English, we always count as two. Every time you use you use have. Even if you speak to one person, you still use have. Right. So you have got a dirty face. You, we always count as two people. Right, now the baby. The baby's got fat cheeks. The baby has got fat cheeks. The baby, one baby. Right, so the baby is one person or one thing. So we use has. The baby has got fat cheeks. Right. So let's practice it one more time. They've got long hair. She's got big eyes. He's got beautiful teeth. She's got a beautiful face. You've got a dirty face. The baby's got fat cheeks. Okay, moving on to the practicing of the full form, the short form, and of course the negative form. Now negative meaning no, right? So please listen and practice. Full form, I have got. Short form, I've got. Negative, I haven't got. Right, so I have, I've got, I haven't got. Okay, so make sure you listen and repeat every line. We will go one by one, okay? Right, you have got, you've got, you haven't got. He has got, he's got, he hasn't got. She has got, she's got, she hasn't got. It has got, it's got, it hasn't got. Right, the last three. We have got, we've got, we haven't got. You have got, you've got, you haven't got. They have got, they've got, they haven't got. Right, here is your homework this week. Yes. So, to review, you have to write 8 sentences on what you look like. And you have to use I've got. Example, I've got brown eyes. I've got black hair. I've got round cheeks. I've got a round chin. I've got thin lips, thick lips, blue lips, pink lips. All up to you. Please write 8 sentences on what you look like, and when you are finished, you send them to me on WhatsApp, okay? So, thank you very much, Tina. That is it from me this week. I hope you have a fantastic time at home. Please remember to study for your finals, and we will see each other in the next video. Goodbye.